Hello. Today, let's have a workout with our balance board. In this video, we will learn how to use a balance board correctly, the difference between the various bases, and how to train safely and efficiently. Before we start training, we make sure that the balance board is placed on a flat, non-slip surface. A rubber mat or a training mat works best. We wear athletic shoes or train barefoot to improve the control and board perfect feedback. We ensure we have enough space around us and something stable nearby to hold on if it is necessary. Step onto the balance board in the center. We place our feet about shoulder wide apart. We keep our knees slightly bent and our upper body is upright. We engage our core muscle and keep our eyes looking forward, not down at the floor. This will help to maintain balance and stability. We do not start moving until you feel unsteady, and if we feel steady, we can start with the board. Of course, if you are going to have a board with a nice display, you should perform this, yeah? It looks really great in your interior at home, for example. Then you have a good board at you every day, and you can start with that. Okay, let's start with the half dome. The half dome under the board. This setup allows the movement in all directions, and it's noticeably more challenging, of course. We move slowly and maintain a constant core tension. With small movement are enough to create an effective workout. This varies mainly strengthens our core, leg muscle, and improve the ankle stability. And of course, if you're a beginner, let's start with the balance board with the roller. We do it underneath the board, and this setup allows the movement forward and backward, or side to side, depending on the roller's orientation. We shift our weight slowly and in a controlled manner. We avoid movement and sudden movement and try not to let the board hit the floor hard. This variation is excellent for improving the coordination and strengthening our deep stability muscles. The beginner should train close to a wall or a hand rail for safety, of course. So, we start with short sessions of 1 or 2 minutes and slowly increase our training time as our skill improves. We stop immediately if we feel pain, dizzying, or loss in control. The balance board is a training device. It's not a toy, okay? To summarize, the more unstable the base roller, the half dome, or the ball, the more challenging the workout. We always begin with the easiest setup and progress to step by step it. Of course, you can make a lot of tricks on the board while you're using it. And this makes a good, nice feeling for your workout, and it brings you a lot of joy and a good stability. Maybe you can make different variants of it. For example, use your upper body for a good lifting, staff of your shoulder areas as well. So you can use it not only in the core muscle section. Go a little bit up with that and pump a little bit on it. Really good and really nice that is, of course. And of course, you're going to the ball. Oh yeah. The most advanced setup is the balance board with a ball underneath. The ball creates a maximum stability and requires a high level of balance and control. This option is recommended to advanced users only. We make sure to hold on to something stable at first and increase the difficulty gradually. Safety and control are the top priority, of course, of it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. And of course, give me a positive feedback and tell me in the comment what your favorite balance board stuff is. See you next time. Dun dun.